In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Ads Tutorial 2025, step by step, how to use Google Ads. First, head to the Google Ads website, click Start Now, sign in with your Google account, and switch to Expert Mode. Choose the option to create a campaign without a goals guidance. This gives you full control over settings and structure from the start. Before you run any ads, set up conversion tracking. Go to Tools and Settings, then Conversions, and select the type that fits your business: website actions, phone calls, or app conversions. Install the Google Tag directly or via Google Tag Manager. Without conversion tracking, you can't measure results accurately, and your budget will likely be wasted. Create a new campaign and select a goal like leads, sales, or website traffic. For campaign type, choose Search. It's the best place for beginners because you capture users actively looking for what you offer. For networks, keep the Google Search Network checked and uncheck the Display Network for this campaign. That helps you avoid low-quality clicks while you learn. Set your locations by country, city, or a custom radius. Use the option for people in or regularly in your targeted locations, and select the languages your customers use for better relevance. Enter a daily budget that matches your comfort level. For bidding, start simple. Maximize clicks works well for new accounts. Once you have data and conversions, try Maximize Conversions. Target CPA is more advanced, and Target ROAS fits e-commerce as you scale. Build your structure with clarity: one campaign per offer and one ad group per keyword theme. For example, a dental clinic might have separate ad groups for teeth whitening and dental braces. Add keywords using exact and phrase match to stay relevant early on. Examples include teeth whitening and teeth whitening near me. Avoid broad match until you have solid data. Create responsive search ads with 10 to 15 headlines and 3 to 4 descriptions. Include your main keyword, a clear benefit, and a strong call to action such as book now, get free quote, or call today. Add ad assets to boost visibility and performance: site links, callouts, structured snippets, and call and location extensions if applicable. These improve click-through rate and quality score. Review your settings, fix any errors, and publish. Your campaign is now live. After launch, give it 3 to 5 days before making changes. Monitor CTR, conversions, cost per conversion, and search terms. Each week, add negative keywords, pause high-cost terms with no conversions, improve ad copy, adjust bids and budgets, and refine your landing page. When you're profitable, scale by increasing budget gradually, duplicating winners, testing new keywords and ads, and moving into smart bidding.